Hey everyone, today we are going to build a user-based authentication system and block CRUD app. It has features like uh, local storage-based user authentication, specific all user data storage in local storage. The blocks created by the user are located specifically under the user ID that we done in a real sites. There are few only pages for these blogs apps because this is for a beginner level. You can see it in the live hosted site and below given in this link given in description below. Here first we will set up Angular, then we will start building it. First create a folder YouTube, then I will inside it I will create open VS Code. Okay. I'll go slowly, then control tilde, then I will press ng new the what we want to build block crowd app. Now press enter, then we will choose CSS server side renting. No, the packages are being installed. Let's this time we go to that live hosted website and see what are the our details. What we will first we'll have to enter a email ID, like email ID, random email ID you can enter. What we can okay, my name I will enter .com, full name then a password. After clicking, our user will be created. Okay, and the all users user value will be stored specifically inside the local storage. We will use local storage since I don't know how to build the backend API. After having knowledge of that, I will also implement that also. The packages are being installed. Wait for a second, then we will have to install tailwind css because I will use tailwind css version 4.1 for to create this blog app. Tailwind css, search tailwind css, then get started, installation, framework guide, Angular, then okay, here are the command with then cd block CRUD app, then I will paste the tailwind css installation command given by the tailwind css website. Okay, then I will create a file with .postcssrc.json in my root folder. Yes, it's a root folder. .postcssrc.json. Sorry for my sound or pronunciation because my throat is throat is bad. And we'll paste it, then @import tailwind css in what source style.css file. Okay, then okay, it is done. To check either that the tailwind CSS works or not, I will go to app component.html, this cleanup control A, backspace, and I will paste this, then and in terminal type command ng shop to run the Angular app. Okay, it is run on HTTP localhost 4200. So we'll go to HTTP localhost 4200. Okay, there is some error, no text, blue 500. Yes, there is some error. I think. Oh, I have done the mistake that I have created that dot post CSSRC file outside the block CRUD app, so it wasn't working. Okay, it is solved. We make common mistakes and that we don't know, so we have to navigate from either text 3XL font bold. Let's see either it should work. I don't know it will work or not. Yes, it is working, but I am not getting the suggestions under. Why not getting suggestions? I don't know why I don't getting. Okay, it come. I have to that run it again. Okay. After I also don't know how it solved. Okay, now we will first create this service folder one pages folder. Okay, then what we have to service pages and one modal folder. Okay, modal, and inside it I will create it modal.ts. Okay, first I have to see by going to our the publish site. What we have first, if user goes here in slash this link, navigate it to login. Okay, and login and sign, and that login form opened. Okay, so we'll first create a component in pages folder, open in integrated terminal under open. Oh no, my mouse, I don't know what is happening. Page for ng generate component, C for component and G for generate, and our component name, what is our component? Login component. So we'll click login component. Okay, our login component is created. Then login component is created. Now we have to set up that login component. So to set up, we will use ChatGPT for that UI library. Okay, UI, I mean you should do you should work assist. You have to give your work to increase your efficiency, like in today's we called vibe coding. Okay, what we want to build, we have a sign up form for 3 email ID, full name and password, Okay, and that login for username and password. So I will create a okay. I will give you the this prompt directly in the description. You copy paste it, and after I will meet. Sorry, I have moved earlier, so we will have to create the what are the pages we want to navigate, so we can set up route, then we can work. Uh, After creating a login component, we should go to a dashboard or layout component. Okay, what is code layout component? So it will create a layout component. Inside layout we have to what we have, let's see, login email at the gmail.com, password. Oh no, I have not created admin password. Okay, user created email at the gmail.com. Okay, PASWRD password. I don't know what is happening here. This page, we will navigate to this page. Okay, I will do a screenshot and present you. Don't worry, I'm directly navigating. Let's layout. Inside layout we have what we have, one all blocks and your blocks, and one navbar, this navbar. Okay, so we have to create all blocks dashboard inside, yes, and one my blocks. Okay, where you can do CRUD operations, create, read, update and delete. Okay, we have set it. Now we have to set the routes. The routes in app.route.ts. Looks here. Okay, let's do it fast. Path. If we have blank, we go to redirect to login login, not redirect to login, and we should give here path match full. If we give not give, it will give error. Okay, you have to sure that you have entered it. When path is after we come in login, we'll go to component, login component. Okay, after logging we have a path uh, path blank. Okay, again, then we will have component, layout component, inside which we will have a children's. Okay, comma, give comma, there should be, and children's. Okay, here is mistake, children array. Here you will give, yes, the AI copilot is automatically suggesting, but I am not following that. If you are also a beginner, you should also not follow this all blocks component, because it will the part that you will not learn if you do that. So when we go to my blocks, we have to shift to component, my blocks component. Okay, and if you here, I will also set a 404 path. If you go to there, what will happen? It will automatically suggesting star star, means if you go to random location, it will navigate to here. Okay, If here also, if you'll go to navigate, the user should be redirect to not all blocks, because I think login to make sure the user is authenticated. Okay, now we will see here our that is running. Redirect to layout. Okay, where is our app? Okay, look here in path we will give blank and enter. We will come to login. Okay, now in login dot here we have to write what? Router outlet, which helps us to route between the pages. Okay, a router outlet and login component.html. Yes, here is a file. Looks, we will have a, okay, we will have this. Okay, we will have this. Why it is not centered? Okay, I will make sure to be in the center, because ChatGPT has given me a code. Look here, ChatGPT will not give you full whole thing. Okay, you have to set it half parts. You have to have some knowledge of that div dot container. I know how to make a site responsive, so okay, class, not give class because I have copy pasted it. Windows dot no, sorry, what I'm doing, man. Windows plus B you clicked, you will get this, your previous copies that you have made. Okay, and block CRUD. Okay, it is centered. Okay, centered. Now we have to do what we have to do. We have to show one, like here. You look here, log out bro. Yeah, look here, login only one form, both form not at same time. Okay, we'll do that now. For that, where is login component.ts? We'll go to login component.ts file. We'll create a variable here, each login form open equal to, no, here you have to set what type it is. So you are using TypeScript, so we'll set it boolean. My throat is causing problem while speaking, sorry for that. Is login form open? True. First it will be true. Okay, first it will be true, and we'll insert ang if structural directive. So it we have to install, because it is a standalone component. What we use, we have to implement here. So here, and you should know how to set ang if each login form open equal to true, it will, and copy paste this. Where is form login form, control B, this login form, this will be false. Okay, because when we will, when the each login form is false, we don't we have to show sign up, and when we each login form equal to true, we have to show we have to show this login form. Now we have to navigate from one login form to another. Okay, so here I will create a p tag, which already, yes, it is suggesting. Looks how good AI is, it is automatically suggesting remove this href. No, yeah, oh, sorry, we have to create a button. Okay, no, what we have to create, p tag already have an account. Okay, button, button already have an account login. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is in false, so we make it false. So to see that, yes, this like coming. Okay, it is good. Okay, it is not center. You can make it. Uh, you can use CSS, tailwind CSS adjustment, do adjustment. Okay, I will not do that because I'll not go in that CSS part. All UIs will be created by the AI. That will be, that will have to increase the efficiency. Okay, there. Okay, class underline and cursor is equal to pointer, cursor pointer. Okay, cursor pointer here, and like this, control C, do control C and come here and paste it and make already to don't have an account, and here sign up. Okay, sign up, create account. Okay, now it should work. No, I haven't that changed this. Okay, it is false and it is true, only we have checked it, but we are not changing the value here. We have to change the value here. When click, when the user click on login, we have to what do, is login means we have to open login form. So to open login form, we have to make the value true. Okay, true. When true, our login form will be open. So when each login form is equal to true. Okay, copy this. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Yes, here control B and is login form. Sorry for that. My mouse is busted. False. Okay, let's check it, and I think I have a error here. Look, I think here is a mistake. I remove this. What will happen? Let's see now. Medium. Okay, like that. Arey, no. Why it is pasted? Oh, sorry. Control delete that. Okay, we will do Control Z, and remove that. Okay, make sure you removed. Sorry, I have copy pasted instead of doing Control X to cut and paste. Sorry for that. Okay, full name, email, password. Yes, cursor, and why I don't know why I don't like the beam, that click button beam. There should be a cursor pointer, and here also the cursor should be pointer. Okay, cursor pointer. Okay, let's see we are navigating or not. Okay, login. Oh no, in login creating there is a glitch. Oh no, we have to first. Oh, wait. And if is login form open equal to false, is login form equal to true. First we'll have to sign up. We have to show sign up form. So no. Where is login component? That is no. We have to make it true now, because we have to open login form for first for user. Okay, it is working. Yes, that mistake we have done. Okay, this control do control. Yes, cut email password and sign up. Click. Okay. That glitch was happening because we are opening that true and we have set it for false. Okay, we have to set it. true here. Login component.ts file in class. Okay. Now now we have to create that sign up. First we have to sign up. Yes. So for sign up we will use this. We will use what we will use, reactive template. Okay. For sign up we will use reactive. For login we will use template or yes reactive. Okay. For this sign up we will use reactive. For reactive form, okay, you will have to import what reactive form module. Reactive, that I don't know why it is not suggesting me. The AI is helping me for that. There it will come. Okay, for that I will get sign up. No. Sorry. First we have to what we should make. We should make modal.ts. What our object should be. Oh no. For reactive form. Oh, my mind is disturbing either and other. Sorry for that. Okay, sign up. Look, sign up obj is new. Not form group is equal to new form group. Yeah. Okay. In real enterprise level also we should not set here. Okay, we have to initialize it outside. Okay, using a initialize function. Initialize sign up obj. Initialize sign up obj. Then we have to create this dot sign up obj equal to new form group and look like that. And inside we have what? We have full name equal to new form control to control our form. Okay, comma validators dot required. Okay, comma or shift down. Full name one is email and one is pass wrt password. I'm going to give one initializer. I don't know what. No, that either is not. No value exists in scope. The short and for full name equal to. And wait. We have to give user ID also. User ID equal to new form control 0. No 0. Yes 0 because when initializing we should not create the user ID. Okay. Now we have to saw what I am forgetting. Okay, what I am mistake. I'm not getting. Let's go control C. Okay. What is doing that error from what? Okay, go here. What is wrong? Oh, syntax is. Oh my god. This small is mistake. Oh my god, I forgot. Okay. Oh, sorry. I have. Why it is unnecessarily giving this? Oh, sorry. Okay, I will select this is equal to Control D, backspace, and that colon. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay. Sorry. Okay, we have to set. Okay. Now, okay, our this is initialized. Now we have to set in HTML. In HTML, where is our login or sign up form? Sign up, this is sign up. In sign up form, we have to set first in form tag. We have to set form group. Okay, form group is equal to, and our form group name, what is sign up obj, our sign up obj. Okay, and for template form, we have to use hash and form name equal to ng form, and for reactive form, well, form group is equal to sign up obj. Okay, inside that input tag, in template driven, we have to use name and attribute, and in the reactive, we have to use form control name. Okay, form control name, where is it? Form control name equal to, why it is giving user id? I don't want user id, because user id we will set. Okay, that will be full name. Okay, I will form control name equal to email. Look, AI is helping me a lot. Should come, yes, password equal to password. Okay, for this reactive, we can use ng submit. This is event. Okay, when we submit a form, this calls sign up. Sorry, on sign up. Okay, on sign up. On sign up, we will call a function. We have to create, so it is giving error, where we have to create login component.ts initialize. After initializing, we have to create a function. Okay, in which we will get a value const sign of obj is equal to this dot sign of obj dot value. Okay, see, sorry, clg sign up obj. Okay, this is getting, we on click on submit, we will get. Okay, now we'll run. Let's check does it working or not. We don't have a login account, so we'll go to sign up. Look, this I have done to know you that you should initialize first. If you created a function to initialize, okay, we have created another, so okay, so it is not initialized, so we have to use ng on init, init, and this dot initialize. Okay, so it will, the form controls are initialized while that this is loading, so it will not give error. Look, now we'll enter Roshan Pokharel, email id is admin@gmail.com. okay, password is password, password, sign up. Look, our value is coming, but here is a what. Look, we have to set it like a real site. Okay, so we have to have unique id. Okay, unique id, so we'll create a unique id by doing this const id is equal to no id is equal to math object dot. Look, it is giving, yes, this way. Math.floor will remove the decimal value produces here. Okay, and the sign up obj.user id is equal to id. Look, now every time the new user create account, it will be unique. Okay, unique id. Okay, it will not collapse. Look, go here and type nothing here. Look, I don't know here, validator is yes or no. Okay, it is not validating here. Let's type @email, not. I'll check it. Type email having, but it is not. Oh, sorry. Requires true. Required true. I don't know the well. It should check automatically. The HTML is have certain features. Okay, it is not checking. Okay, let's. I don't know. Okay, pattern. If I know pattern, look, follow this pattern. Okay, and where component.ts we have to clg this dot sign up visit dot invalid. Okay, email invalid true. Okay, invalid true means when. Okay, we'll do this way. We can't submit when it is invalid. Okay, this button disabled equal to no sign up visit dot invalid. No, what I am doing wrong. Okay, not I don't know. I should not have the option to create. Okay, why this is not working? Okay, correct new. I'm not getting what is wrong here. Okay, if you don't know, go to there and give this code. A sign up. Yes, I am doing this but not working. Okay. Yes, this should work, na. I don't getting why it not working. Sign up. Yes, it we can create. What is happening here? I don't know. Okay. I don't know what is happening. Okay, disable button, login button. Oh, sorry. No. Yes, sorry. I am doing in this, man. This. You have to do in this button, man. Sorry for that. Okay, look, here I made I and I am checking here. Okay, and I am navigating and I found that. So, look, this will be until the form is valid goes on. Okay, if I will, yes, password we have to enter correct here. Look, it is not creating because the pattern is not followed by email at the rate gmail.com. Look, sign up. Okay, done. Yeah, look. Okay, you should follow pattern, na? Yes, good boy. Okay, it's working. Sorry for that I have done. Okay, now, oh, now look here. Yes, when we click sign up, yes, we are using user ID and this. Okay, so we are using our local storage. So what is this doing, man? I don't know how it is. This okay. Okay, now we have to store all user data in a collection and giving user ID. Okay, so we have to check. We have to store. Okay, what? How can I store that? The format will be like this. Look, eraser I here. This will be a big object. Okay, inside it This is a no text. Where is text? Just text box. Okay. This is a all users obj. Okay, obj in local storage. Inside it, what we'll have? Inside it, we'll have here what we'll have? We have a user ID of all users. Okay. Okay, user id. Okay, id. This is misinterpreting. Okay, user id. And inside, okay, sorry, I have to create a box. Inside user id, what will have? Inside user id, we will have an. And what will have inside user id? We will have an array. Okay, array. An array inside object will have like this. And this inside object we have user object. Okay, like this we have many user id, all user. So in real sites also, when look, we create many accounts and we can after logouting we can log in another account. Like that format we will follow in this. Okay, that format we will follow in this. So to follow that, we what will create? Okay, let's see. Sign up obj comes here. We'll call a function the no, yes, we'll call a function name is on. We call a function or not? We don't call. We write here what? We write here const. Okay, what we'll do here, all users equal to, we will get first, we will check if there is all users or not. If all user is already there, we will push. If there is no all users, what will do, will pass what is suggesting here, local storage dot get item. What will get? All users. Okay, all users. If all user is not there, what will do, what will pass? Object. Why it is giving argument of type string? I don't know why. Oh no, look here you have to pass is the, okay, sorry for that, pass this in quotation. Okay, no, this single quote you have to pass, because only string is accepted. Okay, if this if all user is equal to if all user is not null, okay, it will all user value have this. But if all user, there is no all user, it will pass null. What does this operator does is it check either the left hand value is null or not. If the all user is not null, it will pass the value. If it is null, it is blank object. Okay, blank object. Okay, you CLG, we can hear all users. Okay, we can check it by this uh, okay, when login email gmail.com, password is PASSWRD, password is password. Okay, sorry for that. What is happening, man? Oh no, we have to see console. Oh, sorry, I am seeing that. Okay, look, their user ID first time this creating and second time this, but we should not, after one time clicking we'll navigate to login. Okay, this is the part, but here we are looking it, we can see that we will get we have to, what we have to do is this look, we have to do this login ts38 from blank object, because we don't have any application na. We have application, sorry, all users data, so it is blank object. Okay, blank object. Now what we'll have to do, all users and id, that id we have get, okay, but we have to use a sign up dot user id, sign up obj dot user id, because it can be changed na, we can't be, if it, if there will be mistake, our whole app will be crossed. So we'll store, and yeah, sign up dot user id equal to null. Yes, null na, all if null so sign up dot user id equal to user id equal to blank array semicolon. After blank array we'll what we'll do, all users dot no, sign up say dot user id dot push, we have to push now, we don't create that format we have to follow. So we are doing this like, what is this line doing, slash slash, if all user is present, the value is returned, value is stored in all user, and if null, blank object is there. Okay, you have to know. And what will do, what will this do, it will have all user, okay, all users, and inside it all user, like this, like you have no this like, not this like, when you set there it will be a object na, yes 0, and this like, okay, it is giving automatic, and here we have object, okay, we are not creating, we are nested, we have to do, we have to pass security is important. Yeah, so like this. After this what will do, all user id array has this object value here, okay, push there like this. After this we have to set it in local storage dot set item, what value we have, all users comma json dot stringify, it should come now, not coming, I don't know, okay, it should come, but stringify all users, string format we have to send it, and while getting it we have to parse it at json. Okay, let's see, will getting or not, let's see. Okay, log in console, go to console, yes console. Now console not application, we can check here. Okay, here is blank, full name, what is your name, youtube is a full name, okay, youtube, you can pass anything, email at the gmail.com, okay, and I don't know what is error there, after that error no, PASSWRD. Okay, we will see, we can click, yes click, look, our is done, our work is done. In real sites also the data is stored like this, the authentication system is like this, you will pass the object to the API and it will automatically do in backend, this like, okay, this logic is perform in backend, we are performing using local storage. So the, so if we have API, we can perform it in backend. If you want it in it to do in JSON server, you comment, I will do it later on. Okay, we set it, but from after I click, we have to, what we do, control X, no invalid, this console, all console you should remove. Now when you want, you should put, and you should remove. The console are used to check whether the data is being passed correctly and all the workflow is correct or not. On sign up we have to do what we do. At first we will do the this part. Okay, this part it will be doing in backend. We will do what we will do on sign up login equal to true. This dot is login form open equal to true. Okay, here it will be true. Then let's see what it will do. Okay, I also don't know this is, I have never used it like in first after sign up directly that button navigating to login, but we have to navigate to login na. We after sign upping and we user clicking that same button every time, user should not so navigate to login. So Roshan, okay, my name is Roshan, so I am putting that email at the gmail.com. Okay, password is equal to password and I click sign up. Okay, I navigated to here, but and our backend is done here. Okay, so optimized, it is optimized now. If you do here, it will after performing this only it will do this, and it is stuck here somewhere, it will not open login. Okay, so that now after creating on sign up, what we will have to do, we have to create a login. For login we'll use template driven form. So template driven form, for template driven form we'll class initialize and login model. No, we have to make all capital login log. Oh, sorry for that, I'm mistaken. That user id not email is equal to string equal to null, password is string null. Okay, this like also, yeah, but you can use constructor to do also. Okay, but I am doing like this. And in login ts file, where is login ts file? Look here you have to import that object. So login obj is equal to login model equal to new login model. Okay, this like do this like to fetch that login model. Now in html, where is our login? Okay, close the sign up form. The sign up walk is done. Now we will create this login to bind a template form. We have to use hash and our form name. What is our form name? Login object, I think. Okay, okay, I don't know, I am not confirm, I have to look it. As login object, no, what is name, man? Yes, login object it is, but why it is no right directory found with, sorry, what I am mistaking now. I know, but I am this recording for first time, so I am forgetting the things. Okay, sorry for that. Uh, Look, I have to look it at Google. Do Google, okay? Use, if you are a coder, you should Google. Okay. Google. What to Google? Template driven form in Angular. Okay, version 17, version 19. Where is template driven form? Oh, sorry. Yes, now we have to import it what we use. So we have to import like reactive form module. We have to import forms module. Oh, sorry. Look, this part we have to practice a lot. So it will we will be perfect. I am a 1 month experience guy. So I am mistaking and I am recording for first time also. So that is happening. Okay, let's go move on. And here, okay, type in this you have to, what do, you have to give name attribute. In reactive you form control, in this in reactive required, okay, required true, type text not email. What do we do? Name equal to, what is name? Sign up. Now login up control z login. Oh no, it should come now, this dot login. Oh, sorry, what I am doing? Yeah, name equal to email and ng model I should pass na data binding, two-way data binding I have to do. ng model login object dot email. Oh no, what is happening? Dot email login object here not coming, email error coming. I will check. I have to check. Okay. Well, look like do this like yes. So I think this. I think control Z. No, what I am doing? Log when I should do with this dot login object dot email. Okay, this dot I have to use this dot. I don't know why. When I done previously, I want to use this ng model. Okay, ng model. Why this ng model is coming, man? I not getting. Look, this ng model coming here. Password. Okay. Okay, it is bound. When I submit in button click you have to look on login. Okay, on login function. Control C. Here is a error because I haven't created that on login function. Okay. Oh, sorry, what I am doing here on. I copied. What I am doing, man? On login. Okay. Const login object equal to this dot login object clg login object. Okay, in login you know what we have to do. If the user exists, only you can log in and you can log in and go to the dashboard. If not, you can't. So we have that all user data set. Okay, all user data. So in all users that, okay, remove that. I have to import form module na. Okay, that done. Where is this? I remove this first. When I click OK, here I will tell what I have created. Look here. We have password. Email at the rate gmail.com. Email at the rate gmail.com. Password is password. Okay. But I have to one thing do. Okay. One thing you should do is their autocomplete should be off now. This autocomplete is going to off. You should do this because what you do you should not autocomplete in password it will not come. Okay, go here and in all part except password you should do this while because I recording and my email is shown up and my bhai galat wrong thing can happen. Okay, now what I'll do email at the rate gmail.com. What is error coming? ng model is used within a font tag, either the name tag. Name is done na. Oh sorry, here name is not done for password. Name is equal to password. Okay, sorry for that. Oh, I am doing something mistakes. Okay, load. Okay, done. Email at the rate gmail.com. Enter correct detail, password and login. What email at the rate gmail and password. Okay, now we have to check this data with this all users. Okay, this all user. So what we'll do okay, yes, this happening. What we'll do, we have to check if login object. ओके लॉगिन ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्स ना तभी तो हम चेक करेंगे const we have to get all why it is giving this I users equal to no I should not use okay dot pass you should if you are beginner you also don't use okay because this is if you are beginner and you are you giving hint it giving hint what you have to do then you will not do now okay okay we'll have all users okay this was this no print okay you have to do print console so you know what is going on what is going on now this what the this noob what is giving this noob this AI oh sorry here one bracket mistake is done okay don't copy it you should understand first and do that if you don't know any topic go and search. Now all user is get we have to what we do okay to check okay if this is match we have to go inside this and inside this so it is nested okay you have to logic you should have for okay const user id in all users okay what is user id this we have to loop in all users na to check if that match we have to go and if not okay in real what is happening we can't create a duplicate but here we can create okay that concept part that I am not in that is go very and more logical const okay user what will be the user oh now users equal to user id okay and clg user I should user and I should have clg login object here print because I have to that show you now what is happening okay what is happening look okay we have all users in this when I email here in upper side the login object should not be print okay good email at the rate gmail.com okay that is my login this is my password login okay look login in login here you will get array and you is getting this yes getting this and here what is getting you this okay now you have to match here what is either the email and password match or not now you have to do okay if it will give but I will not user 0 no all users no something is mistake okay? Something is I am missing okay because I have to pass array index also look I have this 0 all will have 0 na look I'll first show you by creating another account okay because you will not understand if not look this has a user id inside 0 index and this object when I will create another account what will happen look what is your name something Akash is your name email id is Akash no sorry at the rate gmail.com password is password okay sign up what is happening all the user id have 0 okay 0 so we can directly you have we can set 0 or no user id all user id 0 what is doing here 0 Okay, I have to check email at the no, this is enable. If enable, I can directly check now. Look, directly we are getting object now or not. 52 and 56 this is happening. 57 login model is giving. Stop 52. Okay, this we don't want to see this now. Okay, so remove it. Look, what we are doing is we are doing all users. Okay, what our is all users. Look here, this all user is this all user. Now we are looping in user id, all user id, because our data is stored inside user id, and we'll after we are in now user id. Okay, we are in now user id up to here user id looping and all users, and user id means like this way where it gone, why it is going now. Sorry for that. My mouse is, look here, look. This user ID. We have user ID, so we have to loop in user ID. Okay, we use for in loop. What will in does our indexing loop will run. Okay, it means and loop, and what we want to access the user ID inside array of 0. So we have using this 0 symbol. Okay, 0 symbol. Okay, now we have to match. Now that is simple. You also know, I also know. If user dot email is triple equal to, use triple equal to strict equality, you have to check. Okay, login object dot email, and then user, yeah, this is no, I will not do skip you to do with password because I have to teach you now. Okay, you understand. If you don't understand any topic, please comment down below. Okay, uh, if math console log success break, not okay, break stop break. First we have to do what, navigate to, for navigation what we'll do for navigation. Okay, now we have to do for navigation. So for navigation we have to import router. Okay, we'll use this latest technique. Router is equal to inject function, and inside we will pass what we want to inject, router or dependency or service. Okay, this is dependency or service injection. Console login. So now we have to this dot router dot navigate. What will navigate? Dashboard, because no dashboard, no layout. Okay, layout we have to navigate in layout. Okay, now go to layout component dot html file. Okay, html file, because we'll have to set here router outlet for navigation. After login we will have to access this. Okay, this error is coming because we have to import what we use. Okay, so go to login login layout component.ts file, import here. Why this unnecessary suggestion comes here? Router outlet. Okay, router outlet done. Okay, now okay, check. Now we'll see either it is working or not. Okay, go to application. Okay, we will enter this detail, Akash detail, akash@gmail.com, PASSWRD. I am going slowly, very slowly. Okay, because I also beginner, you also beginner, and what I learn I am teaching you, so I am giving slowly, so you will learn that concept very easily without, and it has a real world feature what the backend backend does. And so I am going very slowly. Logic, we have to understand the logic. Now we have to click on login. Okay, nothing happening. Okay, login success is happening, but But what is happening? Not navigating. Okay, why it not happening? Login success means okay. This should not break. Na? Okay, layout. This dot navigate layout. What is route.ts? Route check route.ts file. A layout component. Okay, a slash. No, sorry, blank. We have to go blank. After login also we have to go blank. I think blank or what? Akash@gmail.com. We can do hashing of password also, but I am not doing. Okay, login success is doing, but because okay, I'm okay. Sorry for that. Slash all blocks page. We have to navigate. What is done in real? First we check. Okay, real site. Where is real site? Original site. What we have done? TPS blog site local netlify login admin@gmail.com. Password is password. Login success comes and all blocks. Okay, we have to navigate to all blocks. So that's my mistake. Sorry for that. Okay, don't have to give this last sign. I don't know why are you giving and not giving it. It's okay. Password. Okay. Yes. Our is done. In next part, we will see our my blocks CRUD operation and the dashboard page of all blocks. You can check my live hosted site in Netlify, and and if you can create by looking and following the its flow. Thanks for today. Bye bye. Thank you.